Warrior Supreme have gone in. Start as orders. They break away from the barrier from the 6 furlong marker. Level start by all the runners and shorting themselves out. Indian Aristocrat has won the start. Neck in front of Snow Castle. Running deep between the two is Dancer Dance. Another half a length behind is Warrior Supreme. Another length and a half behind Valley Bloomer. Close to the fence Stargazer. They followed then by Yanga. Racing next is Good Opinion. And another length and a half behind is Sweet Pistol. Followed by New State and Sarvatra at the rear end of the field as they continue the journey towards the 600 now, and it's Dancer Dance in the lead from Snow Castle on the outside, now being joined by Valley Bloomer. Deeper out is running 3 deep, close to the fence. Warrior Supreme as they start to negotiate the turn. Another length and a half behind is Stargazer, followed by Good Opinion. They followed then by Yanga. Inside the last 2 furlongs now, Dancer Dance by about 3 parts of a length in front of Warrior Supreme, and the reminders another 2.5 to 3 lengths behind is Good Opinion, followed by Snow Castle close to the fence, Indian Aristocrat, whereas Dancer Dance kicks by about 2.5 lengths in front of Warrior Supreme. Hard at work, followed by Good Opinion. Snow Castle finishing on, but inside the last 100, and Dancer Dance is off and gone. Dancer Dance has won it by 3 lengths to the good of Warrior Supreme, followed by Snow Castle. They followed then by Good Opinion. Then came New State. Then it was Yanga, followed by Indian Aristocrat, Sarvatra, Sweet Pistol, Stargazer, and Valley Bloomer, who turned in very wide, has finished last.